Hi, the second app that I use as a teacher is what's called GroupMe. GroupMe is an app that allows teachers, we can create groups, and it allows teachers, this is our school, this is the entire Dream Team school. Um, this allows us all to communicate with each other when the principal wants to send a message to the school as a whole, and instead of emailing us, we are able to get messages through the app. Um, this is our principal, and she gives us information. We have Just Villa because we have two locations. It allows us to just communicate with the teachers at our location. And we've even created a group here for middle school. I'm part of the middle school, and it allows us to communicate with each other on a middle school level, and even on a lower level. This is me communicating with one specific teacher. This is doing our testing. Um, this is another teacher where I'm just having a communication with her directly, that, and all of this stays in the app. And if we delete the app, we delete our conversation. No one else can see the conversation if we're going directly to her. Um, and it doesn't mess up our phone. So it's a great thing to have. This allows us, I said, to communicate, to let us know if there's any major issues going on, if we need to put some of the kids in buddy rooms or anything of that nature. Um, Again, you can make as many chats, communications as you want.